Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you checking out this video. I'm out here on the trap line checking traps, and it's really windy today, so that's why I'm in the truck. I got a raccoon here in one of my coyote sets. This is that cattle trail that I caught a lot of coyotes on last winter, but it looks different this year where the grass is taller. First raccoon I caught in this cattle trail. I guess they're coming through here because the grass is taller and they feel more protected, but a pretty good sized raccoon. Get him took care of and move on down the line. Y'all stay tuned. Another big old Ricky. I reckon they was moving last night. That's a pretty one too. One of my coyote sets had a dirt hole set here. Good sized raccoon, pretty color too. He ain't got much brown on him. Well, I'm gonna get him took care of and move on down the line. Good morning, boys and girls. Back out here getting it done this morning. Got this cattle trail runs along the side of this ditch right here, and I put in a double set the other day. Pretty nasty day out today. It's wet, and we're supposed to 70% chance of rain tomorrow. It's supposed to be good for 2 days and then rain for 4. So any smart person would probably set off their traps, but I'm just a little bit too darn stubborn. So anyway, picked up one right here beside me here this morning. Get y'all a look at him. Pretty dog. About typical for the color of ours, but ain't got a flaws on him. As far as fur, I'd say a young dog. And all I had right here is a little dirt hole set. Had a dirt hole set here with, I believe, Top Dog and some of Tandy's dead end, I believe, what I had in here. But anyway, picking them up one at a time, guys. If y'all want to keep track of the coyotes and stuff I catch this winter, knock yourself out. I'm not going to say every time I catch one, I'm not going to tell you what number it is. For me, it's not about numbers this year. I want to get out and enjoy. I do want to get my limit on bobcats, which I haven't started. I pulled the 2 bobcat sets I had out because I got another farm to trap that's a great location for bobcats, and I'm kind of waiting until I trap that farm. This is number 6, but like I say, I'm not going to say every video. I'm just going to catch what I catch, and that's what I catch this year. But anyway, pretty dog. I'm going to get him dispatched, do the remake, and we still got traps to check. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, boys, come up over the hill. I had another one bouncing here. Well, actually, he was laying flat as a pancake. I thought he was dead for a little bit. I pulled up about 10 yards and honked the horn. He jumped up real quick. Good sized male. Got a nice coat on him. All this is corner of the woods right here. They got a little trail they're going under the woven wire fence. That fence line runs down through here. I'm out about 10 yards from that fence line. Had a dirt hole set here with some Trapper All Predator and some cryptic coyote gland from Dunlap Lures. And I believe that was it on this one. Deep pack catch like we like to see. I'm gonna get this one took care of, and we still got a few to check. I would show y'all a remake, but it's raining yesterday, and I took my bag in the garage and I forgot to set it in the back of the truck. Oh, kind of screwed on that. But anyway, y'all stay tuned. Well, boys, I had a trench set right here in this corner, like. I was afraid this would happen. Got an old raccoon in it. But that's alright, them nest raiders need to go too. So, I'm gonna get this dude out of here and move on. Still got more to check. A rowdy little feller. Well, y'all, that was it for today. I still haven't got all my line out. I'm still waiting. And I know we're getting a bunch of rain, nasty weather. I got about 9-10 locations set up. Some of those locations got 2 traps, 2 or 3 traps, but Anyway, I sure do appreciate y'all coming along. You can see I'm wearing the Coyote Wacker's hat. If you don't have the Coyote Wacker on YouTube, go check him out. Check his channel out. They've had some rough weather and a lot of snow up there in New York, but I'll try to leave a link in the description. And I sure do appreciate each and every one of y'all coming along. I hope y'all have enjoyed this episode. This is episode 5. I'll leave a link to my playlist for this season. And y'all have a good one. And I'll see y'all somewhere down the line.